A hearing in the case of Ukraine versus Russia has taken place at the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague. Russia began the process of presenting its case on Monday.
According to the schedule, the Russian Federation will present its first round of oral arguments today. The time of the Russian Federation will begin to run only once the initial housekeeping matters have been dealt with. Article 27, paragraph 3 of the Rules of Procedure states that, quote, "The presentation of the parties' opening statements at any hearing shall be open to the public."
The dispute was initiated by Ukraine in September 2016. Ukraine will present its case of Russia violating the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea in the Black Sea, Sea of Azov, and Kerch Strait. The Hague bureau chief for the AFP, Denny Kemp, posted this earlier as the proceedings got underway.
As with pretty much every single case that happens in The Hague, one party, Russia in this instance, is arguing that the court has no jurisdiction, so must throw out the whole thing. Russia says the PCA can't deal with issues of sovereignty.
Ukraine is asking the tribunal to, quote, enforce its maritime rights by ordering the Russian Federation to cease its internationally wrongful actions in the relevant waters. Ukraine's representative Olena Zerkal wrote this earlier today on the importance of the trial.
The purpose of Russia is to avoid the consideration of the matter on the merits and responsibilities. Our task is simple and complicated at the same time, to defend our right to a trial on the merits. Judicial hearings this week are also important in a wider context.
Ukraine will present its arguments on June 11th, and the second stage of the debate will take place on June 13th and 14th.